Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing great. In this video today I'm going to show how to create a paper bag mockup. So let's jump into the work. First of all, I'll select the bag. I go to select menu and click subject. Here we can see the selection is not perfect and I need to deselect the handles as well. With lasso tool I will deselect the handles. So far so good. Now click create a new group, and with this selection active, click add layer mask. Name this group paper bag. The reason for masking the group is whatever I design on the bag will stay inside the mask and it won't go outside the edges. Okay, this mask I'll be using at the very end of this video. Okay, now click on this layer and select the front part of the bag. I'm using pen tool here. Now right click in the middle and click make selection. Click OK. The front part is now selected. Now duplicate the layer and bring this copy under a new group. With this selection active, add a layer mask to the group. Now select this layer and pick the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle here. Fill the color with red. Now right click on the rectangle layer and convert it to smart object. Press Ctrl+T from the keyboard to enable free transform. Right click in the middle and select warp. Adjust the warp to fit the bag's shape. For a better visibility, lower the opacity. Okay, looking good so far. Now double click on the smart object and from our folder bring the label design into the smart object. Adjust the design here. Now close the window. Click yes. The label is placed on the front. Now go to the blending mode. I think darken works pretty good here. Go to add a layer style and click on blending options. Here hold Alt from the keyboard to split the slider and drag to adjust the shadow for a natural look. Rename this group as front. Now take the paint tool and outline the side of the bag. Okay, right click in the middle, make selection. Okay, add the selection here. Now go to background layer and duplicate it and put this layer under a new group. With the selection still active, add a layer mask to the group. Now select this layer and draw a rectangle here. Fill the color red and convert it to smart object. Hold Ctrl+T from the keyboard, right click in the middle and select warp and adjust it nicely. Okay, looks good. And now double click on the smart object and bring your second label design on it. Adjust it on the smart object. Okay, close the window. Here we can see the smart object is not covered perfectly. No worries, just press Ctrl plus T, right click and select warp. Align with the edge here. Now change the blending mode to your preference. I think multiply is good here. Okay, but you can see here the label is not perfectly aligned with the bag. What we can do, press Ctrl plus T from the keyboard, right click and select warp again, and align the label with the bag. Okay, looks pretty good. Now rename the group as side. Select these two groups and bring under the paper bag group. And this is how you can create paper bag mockup. And if you want to change the labels later, just double click on the smart object and replace the design anytime. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.